Okay, so today we're going to talk about. I'm trying to smile while I make this video because it's going to make me feel happier making it. We are going to talk about using myOn to offer students a chance to create something rather than just reading books. myOn has changed a lot throughout the years, and at this point, it's just projects that you're going to use to create anything that you want your students to use. So you can see that for these, I really don't have a specific assignment. I just have books assigned to students. And then there's a lot of different things that I have. Here's an example of one that has books plus an assignment. So I can kind of show you what that looks like. For jokes, these guys were going to be working on homophones and homonyms. And it has a little description. Kids will read joke books and find a copy and copy jokes that use multiple meaning words. So I really wanted them to be paying attention to when jokes use multiple meaning words. So you can see that I added some actual essential standards that they need to be doing, and then here's what the students see. Using the myOn writing tool, copy and paste jokes that use either homonyms or homophones. And to make the jokes sensible, briefly explain what each word means. For instance, how did the music and teacher unlock her secrets with piano keys? Keys is a multiple meaning word and can mean either an item to lock and unlock a door or a key. So students can actually write. There's sticky notes and there's a journal. In this one, it was just a writing task that they then submitted to me. So there is an option. Make sure you always click save because I have lost many book sets. And then let's see, one other project that my students did that was a graphic organizer. So you can kind of just get a couple different ones. It was a cause and effect graphic organizer, and I didn't have specific books on this one. I let them choose their informational text that they wanted to use. And you can just kind of see all the different graphic organizers you can choose from. So there's all these options you can have students use to fill out. I think a lot of teachers don't know about these particular options. And there are more. So you can do a reading task, which is just books. An all-purpose task, you could give Lexile exam, which is not as much creating. It's more of a specific exam on that. And then a writing or a graphic organizer test. To do this, let's just go back to projects. And you just create a new project. Make sure you give it a title and a description. You'll usually want to create books that will be in there. So, and you have all these different options that you can disable the audio. They don't have to have quizzes, which is kind of nice in certain times. To manage books, it's super easy. You just have to decide what it is. Is it a specific topic or whatever? You can go through the guided reading levels, the grade levels. There's a lot of Spanish book options, and you will have particular books that you can find. So let's say I want to go to a certain Lexile level. Maybe I'm trying to challenge my higher readers or maybe my lower readers, because listening to books sure is a good thing when you listen to high level reading for students. And then you can find all books if you want. That's a lot of books to be able to search from, but again, if that's your purpose, it all depends on your purpose. So then you might add a few of these. They automatically save when you click them, so it's a little confusing there. You don't have to do anything other than click out, and then you'll see that the books that I chose are in there. And there's that reading task. And so then it's pretty easy at that point. You can just go through and assign different tasks here. This would just be like telling students what to do, like to use their journals or their sticky notes or things that they're used to. Just basically giving directions. All right. That is short and sweet, but I think, and again, make sure you say save. I think I kind of got through. You can now go and play and see all the different things. Create. Bye.